How to fix microphone problem in WhatsApp video call on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix microphone problem in WhatsApp video call on Android phone. First, just go to settings and then apps, and now apps again, and then go to WhatsApp, and then go to permissions, and microphone. You will find it like that. All you need to do just click on it and click allow, and that's it. Now just go back and restart your phone, click restart and try again, and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.